This is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Nova. We do offer shipping and financing is available on this car. If you go to my website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com, go to the Easy Finance tab. You can select any one of the lenders that we have available, fill it out online, or you can call and apply over the phone. Either way works great. Most lenders require a 650 credit score and 10% down, and you can finance any one of our cars that we have available. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Nova. All right, here we go. This car is finished in triple black. Absolutely gorgeous car. It's got the bucket seats and the console and the 4-speed. Just absolutely one-of-a-kind car right here. And we're going to take a look at it. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. All the doors are finished absolutely gorgeous. Inside the doors look great. Bottom of the doors look good. Dash, like I said, it's got the console and the 4-speed with the gauges. It's got the tilt wheel, the tack, the clock does work. AM, FM radio. Headliner's great. All the floors look good. All the carpet and everything look good. Seat looks good. I'm gonna shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk is finished beautifully. It's got fitted carpet, spare tire, and the jack. All underneath here looks good as well. Really nice and clean. Just a beautiful car. It's got the stickers like they're supposed to. All right, I'm gonna shut the trunk here. He's gonna start it up for me. Oh yeah. Show you the driver's side of the interior here. All nice and clean. I love a Nova with bucket seats. The steering wheel does lock. It's got the tilt wheel. Like I said, it's got the tack and the clock that does work. All the gauges and the console. 4-speed. All right, I'm gonna shut the door here. We'll take a look at the underneath the hood. The best part everybody's been waiting for. Car is powered by a big block, power steering, power disc brakes. Really nice and clean. Underneath the hood, it's all been painted to match the inner fender wells have. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love all the chrome underneath the hood, the chrome brake booster, chrome master cylinder, just absolutely gorgeous. All right, oh, and underneath the hood too, you can just tell how clean and nice. I can't wait for you to see underneath this car. It almost looks like a brand new car underneath. But this is the 1969 Chevrolet Nova. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you have. All right, now we're going to go for a test drive and see how this baby does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Nova for a test drive and see how it does. A little bit of traffic this morning here. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. All right, here we go.
I think I'll wait on the butternut truck.
No, we got the butternut truck coming here.
I think I'll wait on it.
There he goes, butternut truck. There we go.
Show you the gauges.
does great. Doesn't pull to the left or the right any. Stays straight. Great driving car. Head back here. I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit and see what this little Nova's made of. Yeah, shifts through all the gears easy. Does really good. We are almost back here. Like I said, if you have any questions on these cars, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we are back, and we are going to show you what it looks like underneath. Here we go. Here's the underneath.